Hello and welcome to this lesson on reflexive verbs. We're going to have a look at some of the uses first of reflexive verbs, and we're going to try and put it into the present tense because that's the easiest way to start with these. So generally, reflexive verbs describe people's routine, or at least that's what that we use them for first when we start learning Spanish. And the key difference is that they translate as to myself, and that will become clear later on. So when we see a reflexive infinitive, so these are words we might have looked up in the dictionary, the big difference is that we will see se at the end of the infinitive. So I'm going to show you some examples now. So just look at these infinitives on the left. We've got levantarse, lavarse, ducharse, relajarse, peinarse, y arreglarse. Okay, as you can see that all these are AR verbs and they're also reflexive because they've got this se on the end. And here are the meanings: to get oneself up, to wash oneself, to shower oneself, to relax oneself, to comb oneself, literally to comb one's hair really, and then to organise oneself. We've also got some that are reflexive and are stem change verbs. The key example is this one, despertarse. So the E is going to go to IE, but also it's a reflexive verb as well. So how do these things work then? We're going to look at ducharse, to shower oneself. So just like normal, we have the 6 different persons of the verb. First of all, we're going to take up the arse to make sure that we just have a normal verb. So imagining it's a normal verb. So we've got duch. So we've got our little stems here. Next, we need to be able to add our endings, just like we would do with a normal verb. So we've got ducha, I shower. Duchas, you shower. Ducha, he or she showers. Duchamos, we shower. Ducháis, you plural shower. Duchan, they shower. So at the minute it's not reflexive, but what we need to be able to do to make it reflexive, and remember what we said at the start, that reflexive verbs, you do it to yourself, really. So we're going to add these little pronouns. So straight away here, look at this first example now. Me ducho, I shower myself. That's the very literal translation. But in English we would just say, I have a shower. Me ducho. Te duchas. You shower yourself. Se ducha. He or she showers him or herself. Okay, on to the plural ones. Nos duchamos. We shower ourselves. We have a shower. Next one. Os ducháis. You plural shower. And then the last one again is se duchan. And we need to make sure that these pronouns match up. So obviously it's me with the first person, they with the second, and so on and so forth. Okay, some ejemplos in the AR verbs. So we've got me levanto a las 7. I get up 7. Me lavo en el cuarto de baño. I have a wash in the bathroom. Then we move on to some different persons of the verb. Se ducha todos los días. He has a shower every day. Nos bañamos después del partido. We have a bath after the game, after the match. ¿A qué hora te despiertas? So that's the example with the stem change verb. What time do you wake up? We also have ER and IR verbs, and just a couple of verbs here. So vestirse, to get dressed, and it's an I changer, E to I changer. And ponerse, to put on. And just a couple of examples here. So, me visto en mi uniforme. I get dressed in my uniform. So that's E to I changer. And then, me pongo los zapatos. Remember, poner, to put. Ponerse, to put on. And it's pongo because it's irregular in that first person. hope that lesson's been useful. Okay. Muchas gracias y adiós.